Today, I'll show you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version, because the newer Acrobat layout may show tools in the All Tools panel or in the Quick Action toolbar. Now, open the PDF file you want to review. Once the PDF is open, look for the Add Comments or Comment tool. In the latest Acrobat layout, you can usually open it from All Tools, then choose Add Comments. Adobe's current help pages show tools for comments, markups, sticky notes, text boxes, shapes, lines, and freeform drawings inside the commenting workflow. To add a simple note, choose the Sticky Note tool. Click anywhere on the PDF where you want to leave a comment, type your message, then post or close the note. This is useful when you want to leave feedback without changing the document itself. To highlight text, select the Highlight tool. Drag over the text you want to mark. You can use this for important sentences, corrections, or sections that need attention. You can also use other text markup tools, such as underline or strike through. Underline is useful for important text, while strike through is useful when you want to suggest removing something. To add a comment to selected text, highlight the text first, then use the floating toolbar and choose Add a Comment. Type your note and post it. Adobe's current Acrobat guide explains this as a quick way to comment directly on selected text or images. If you want to draw attention to an area, use Shapes. Choose a rectangle, circle, arrow, or line tool. Then click and drag on the PDF to place the shape. You can use arrows to point at mistakes, rectangles to frame sections, and circles to mark details. If you need to draw freely, choose the pencil or freeform drawing tool. This lets you draw directly on the PDF, like marking with a pen. To change the color or thickness of a markup, select the markup first. Then open its properties or formatting options. Choose a new color, line thickness, or style. You can also move or resize comments and shapes by clicking and dragging them. To see all comments in one place, open the Comments panel. Adobe's newer help says, the Comments list lets you view, sort, filter, and manage comments in a PDF review. From there, you can review notes, reply to comments, mark items as resolved, or delete comments if needed. When you are finished, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original unchanged, choose Save As and create a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Add Comments, use sticky notes, highlights, text markups, shapes, and drawings, then review everything in the Comments panel and save the file. And that's how you use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.